Did you know, sometimes you are given enough information to form a triangle, but no triangle actually exists? In this video, you will learn about the SSA, also known as the ambiguous case. We will focus on the situation where no triangle is possible. Let's begin. First method. The height method. In this method, we compute the height using this formula. Now, compare side A with the height. If A is less than h, no triangle exists. Think of it like this. Side A tries to reach the other side, but it is too short. So, the triangle cannot close. That is why no triangle exists. Example. Given. Angle A equals 30 degrees. Side A equals 4. Side B equals 10. Step 1. Find the height. Substitute the given values. H equals 10 times sine 30 degrees. Step 2. Simplify. Since sine 30 degrees equals 0.5, then we have h equals 10 times 0.5, which is equal to 5. Next step. Compare. A equals 4. H equals 5. Since A is less than h, no triangle is possible. Second method. Using the law of sines. Here is another way to confirm it. Start with the law of sines. A over sine A equals B over sine B. Substitute the given values. 4 over sine 30 degrees equals 10 over sine B. To isolate sine B, cross multiply. 4 times sine B equals 10 times sine 30 degrees. Divide both sides by 4. Sine B equals 10 times sine 30 degrees divided by 4. Since sine 30 degrees equals 0.5, then we have sine B equals 10 times 0.5 divided by 4. So sine B equals 1.25. The sine values of any angle must be between -1 and 1. Since sine B is greater than 1, no triangle exists. And that's it. You can now determine whether a triangle can be formed using the given values. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.